Hello, this is Kwetu. Today I will show you how to convert PDF to Microsoft Excel. Okay, so now let's get started. So first of all, I have to open the Microsoft Excel. So it is this one. Right. Right. So after this, we have to search for data on this home tab. We have to search for data. This one is data. Click that. Then we have to find get data. Okay, this one. Okay, get data. Click on that. Then after drag find the file from file, this one, and again search the from PDF. Okay, this one. Then click on this. Okay. So now you have to find the directory where you have your data is present. So in my case, this is on the desktop. I have to click on desktop. Right. So I have to drag okay. This one is my data. That must. This one is my data. Okay. Before that, well, let me show you the original data. Okay. It is this one. This one is the data. So let me open. Okay. So this one is the PDF data. So converting this one to Excel is very tedious by using a manual way. Therefore, we have to use some better technique. So let me show you. So get data, click on that, from file, search for from file, then from PDF, click that. So desktop, I want that PDF. Okay, this one is the data. Click on that and then import. Okay, all right. All right. Therefore, these are the data. So by clicking, you can check whether the data is correct or not. So these are the data. By dragging right, you can check whether all data are present. So this one is the data. I have to click on what? Load. This one. Okay. All right. All right. So these are the data. Okay. These are the PDF document. Okay. And these are the Microsoft Excel data. Okay. This one. In this way, okay, you can simply change the PDF document to Microsoft Excel. Okay. I think this video is very important. So to get more videos regarding to this, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.